Do you ever feel compelled to always have to fix, repair things for other people? And if you don't, you feel this sense of guilt. Well, that if I don't do it, I'm a bad person. Or if I don't do it, I'm going to go to hell. Did you ever consider perhaps what might be driving that behavior? Why, in essence, you do what you do? What compels you to do what you do? Well, I have some news for you. Very often in dysfunctional homes or turbulent upbringings where it's chaotic for children, they might often do things as a mechanism to feel safe, to feel loved, in order to feel the sense of survival and safety. But what often happens, it occurs at their own expense. And therefore, they somehow internalize that in order to be good, in order to feel loved, I have to overextend myself and be a good little girl or a good little boy. And that's where people start to internalize what's referred to as false guilt. Please realize that it's not your job to play savior and to fix and repair and restore everybody else's life. Your job is to fix, repair, and restore your own. So let me say this to you. The next time you feel compelled, if you will, oh my goodness, I have to be available. I have to babysit. I have to, help clean this person's house, whatever. I want you to take a step back and to inquire and ask yourself, what is driving this behavior? Do I feel as though I need to do this because if I don't, I won't be loved, I won't be accepted, they'll think that I'm a bad person, I might go to hell? None of that is true. What in essence needs to change is the conditioning, the things that you internalized and habituated that now becomes more like an automatic response. So, what I want to say to you is this: it's okay to not always have to fix and repair other people. Yes, you can get off that ledge, back off, and get into the here and now, set boundaries, and know that it's okay for you to focus on your needs, your recovery, your repairing, your restoration. It's not your job to fix everybody else. Your job is simply to fix you. I hope this helps you. If you find this video, again, helpful, please press the thumbs up button and also feel free to subscribe to my YouTube station. Thank you so much.